What's going on, everybody? You guys read the title. The guys and I have been doing Wreck Bike Rebuild out of my freaking garage for like 5 years now. And we're wanting to do bigger and bigger stuff. And to do bigger and bigger stuff, you gotta have a bigger and bigger building. This thing has taken far longer than it really should, but I wanted to take you guys through the shop before we do us to it. So this is as we're getting it. This is so cool. So guys, I'm going to take you through this entire thing, and granted, just to let you guys understand, I just got the keys, so the maintenance guy here is going to come in and do some work before me and the guys actually move in. So keep that in mind. I'll point everything out to you. First room we have is this little office area. I think what I'm gonna do is actually, dude, I got lights. What am I doing? Like, I'm new at this. I think I'm gonna make this my office. Like, I'm just gonna have me a desk and like some chill area here. I think that's all I kind of want to do in here. There's not a ton of space, so it's just big enough for maybe a desk and some couple chairs, but the good stuff. The good stuff's in here. Look at the size of this area. Bro. So, this is a 1,200 square foot garage, has a giant garage door. This place has enough room to have a Wreck Bike Rebuild bay. It's got enough room to have a secondary bay for Brian. It's got room for an editing area. It's got room for all of our filming equipment. You guys don't ever see my house garage before we start filming. When we're filming Wreck Bike Rebuild, we have to move out like 7 motorcycles. That gets old really fast, and it takes up time. You know, like, if we want to start filming, if the guys got to my house and we're like, all right, let's film as fast as possible, it would take us 30 minutes just to get everything moved out and cleaned up. So, hello. We do have a bit of an echo, so we'll have to solve the echo problem once everything gets in. Hold on, could be Comcast. Hey, this is Chase. Use one. Okay, Brian's here. So, yay, Brian. So, fun story, this building doesn't have internet run to it.
The whole building?
The whole building. This specific building has no Comcast specifically, because that's the fastest stuff in the area. So Comcast has to send a surveyor out to find out when they can destroy ground to run a wire to pop it out over there.
Get AT&T on the phone too, because they want to do the same thing.
That might be a good point. The guy that was here told me he had AT&T and it was garbage. So
that's because he probably didn't have fiber yet.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is call AT&T and be like, hey, can you guys run fiber to this place? I'm going to do that after this video. All right, so guys, that's the new shop space as we have it currently. A couple of things that the landlord is going to be doing before we move in a couple days. If you guys can tell, the garage floor is pretty filthy. I think the guy that worked here that had the space before us did sign making, so he had all types of like big machinery in here, like legit, you could barely walk around this place. So they're gonna clean the floors. Now, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do the floors after that. They offered to paint them, and charge me and everything, but I'm like, I'm gonna try to get a sponsor for the garage or for the flooring. As you guys can tell, there's a lot of like mismatched lighting stuff. You guys know how important lighting is for the garage. We're gonna have a shit ton of lights in here, so we're gonna have to get an electrician to come out and kind of like tidy everything up so that we can get like good, even colored lighting in here. The guys are going to patch this wall. As you guys can see, there's like, not sure what this pole is, but they've got these holes and they've got these doors that actually run. Are they welding on the other side?
Yes.
I was about to say, it looked like welds. All right, I'm not gonna look in on their shit. They're going to just put that wall up. They're gonna like take the wall or take the doors off, make it an actual wall. What else do they have to do? They've got to level that. And I think I'm gonna get them to, or I am gonna get them to remove all this phone line shit, because who uses a landline? This is old technology, fam. So that's where we are. I will update you guys the next time we come in, because that's really going to be the first time where the shop is able for us to do stuff. We have some really cool ideas that I cannot wait to share with you guys about the shop, but I'm going to wait for that stuff to get here, and when it gets here, we'll talk about it. I don't want to like tease it up now and then you guys have to wait forever, but just know we got some really cool stuff planned. But yeah, this is going to be the new Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage headquarters / C2Dub headquarters / where we do everything. So it's a very exciting step. It's a very big step. It's been needing to happen for a year, 2 years probably.
At least for this season.
God, if we would have had this shop this season, it would have been so much easier. I was telling them, they always get to see it clean. They don't see it, the 45 minutes it takes to be like, let's move all the bikes out, let's clean everything up, let's get everything moved. It's bullshit. Hopefully you guys are excited to come along with this shop build series that we're now going to do on top of our, 3 motorcycles that we're doing and giving away wasn't enough, Brian. We needed something else to do. Yeah, so that's what it's going to be. Thank you for guys watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to watch what happens to the shop space. I'm Chaseontwowheels, and I'll see you guys when there's less of an echo here. Later.